Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about boiler troubles. One of the boiler troubles, that is sludges and scales. Now, sludges and scales are the main problem in boilers. Boilers are used for steam generation, and if we have hard water present in the boiler, that will cause the formation of sludges and scales. In boiler, when water is evaporated to produce steam, and if there is hard water present, on continuous evaporation process, the concentration of the dissolved salts increases, and when it reaches their saturation point, they start precipitating. If the precipitates are soft, loose and slimy in nature, they are known as sludges, and if the precipitates are hard and sticky, they are known as scales. You can see here sludges and scales. These are the loose precipitates suspended in water. Sludges are nothing but loose precipitate suspended in water. It looks something like this. It can be easily removed by using wire brush or scraper, and it is very loose precipitates. And the scales are hard, sticky precipitates. You can see these are adhered very hardly, very strongly to the boiler, and it gets adhered to the and forms a coating in the inner walls of the boiler. You can see the real examples here. It will form hard and sticky precipitate which cannot be easily removed. Both these are very poor conductors of heat, and it wastes lot of heat generated. It decreases the efficiency of the boiler. It even disturbs the working of the boiler because they get settled down in pipe connections, plug opening, etc. And it causes choking problems. Now, scales are main source of boiler troubles because I said that they are very hard and sticky precipitates. Now, the reasons of formation of scales are like one of the main reason is decomposition of bicarbonates. Let us know it in detail. Calcium bicarbonate, for example, we have calcium bicarbonate when we increase the temperature or when we boil the water. What happens is calcium bicarbonate at high temperature, this will be converted into calcium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. And we know that calcium carbonate is one of the insoluble salt present, one of the most insoluble salt present, and this will start depositing and this will form a soft scale. So it causes problem generally in low pressure boilers, because in high pressure boilers this calcium carbonate gets dissolved. You can see how does it dissolve. Calcium carbonate will react with water to form calcium hydroxide in high pressure boilers, and calcium hydroxide will get dissolved in the water. If we talk of magnesium bicarbonate, again on boiling process, this will be converted into magnesium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. Magnesium carbonate is also a soft scale. Actually, this magnesium carbonate again reacts with water to form magnesium hydroxide, and this magnesium hydroxide is also a soft scale. You can see the reaction. Magnesium carbonate will react with water to form magnesium hydroxide, which is a soft scale which causes problem in the boiler. So magnesium carbonate and magnesium hydroxide both are soft types of scales. The second reason for the scale formation is hydrolysis of salts, mainly magnesium salts. This gets hydrolyzes under high temperature to form magnesium hydroxide. So magnesium chloride will react with water to form magnesium hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide, as I said you in the previous reaction also, it is a soft scale and will get deposited to form the cause problem in the boiler. The next the problem is deposition of calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate is very hard scale. It is the main cause of scale even in the high pressure boilers, because with increase in temperature, the solubility of calcium sulfate decreases. So it's as we increase the temperature for the boiling of water, the deposition of calcium sulfate increases. Even the presence of silica, if we talk of, calcium and magnesium present in the water reacts with silica present in the filter, etc. That will form calcium silicate and magnesium silicate. This calcium silicate and magnesium silicate both are hard scales and stick very firmly to the inner walls of the boiler. And all the scales are very difficult to get removed. And this will cause main problems in the heating process of the boiler, and the safety of the boiler will also be decreased because of this scale formation. Now, what are the disadvantages of scale formation? Let us discuss in detail. The main disadvantage is wastage of fuel. As I explained you before also, sledges and scales both are bad conductors of heat. It decreases the rate of heat transfer and large quantity of fuel will be wasted. Okay, and even a thickness of about 2.5 mm of scale, there will be wastage of 80% of the fuel. Next is danger of explosion. Again, this is due to the bad conducting nature of the scale, because we need to, as it is not a good conductor, so we start overheating that, and due to overheating, thick scales will crack because of the uneven expansion. And when water comes suddenly in contact with these hot iron plates through these cracks, it will produce large amount of steam, and that will cause danger of explosion. The sudden increase in pressure and temperature inside the boiler will cause a explosion. The next problem caused is lowering of boiler safety, again due to bad conducting nature. Because of overheating, again there is problem of uneven expansion of the boiler, and because of this uneven expansion, this boiler material will become weak and it will start distorting at certain places. So again there is a problem of safety. Decrease in the efficiency also. The condensers and valves of the tube will be choked due to deposition of the scales, and that will decrease the efficiency in the boiler. And even the corrosion problem, because certain salts of the scales that will cause corrosion, and there is presence of water also that will enhance the rate of corrosion. And with the increase in temperature, there may be failure of boiler tubes causing serious accidents, etc. Because this corrosion will happen more in case if you are giving more energy to the process. Now, how can we remove scales? If the scales are loosely adhered, if it is a soft scale, then it can be removed easily by the blow down operation or with the help of scraper or wire brush. And even we can use chemical agents. For example, calcium carbonate can get dissolved in 5 to 10% of HCl. Calcium sulfate, as I said that calcium sulfate with increase in temperature, the deposition of calcium sulfate increases. That is a main problem of scale. But this calcium sulfate is soluble in EDTA because it reacts with EDTA to form calcium EDTA complexes, soluble complexes. So calcium sulfate can also be removed with the help of EDTA. By giving thermal shocks means sudden increase or decrease in temperature. Because of this uneven expansion, that will start cracking and that will be removed, or it will become brittle due to the thermal shocks. How can we prevent it? This can be minimized by subjecting to the boiler feed water to external treatment or internal treatment methods. External treatment means water softening techniques that we will be discussing in next videos. And internal treatment means we will be adding something into the boiler, and that will get some soluble products, like as I have said that calcium salts can react with EDTA to form soluble products. So that will get dissolved in. So calcium EDTA complexes can be soluble product it is. So that can be an internal treatment in the boiler itself, so that those scales can be removed. So there can be external treatment and internal treatment both. That's all for today. Thank you all.